by weight. Today I am going to discuss about the next topic, percentage by weight. The general definition is the amount of solute dissolved in 100 gram of solution are called as percentage by weight. It's मीन 100 ग्राम सॉल्यूशन में जितना अमाउंट सॉल्यूट का डिजॉल्व होता है उसी को परसेंटेज बाई वेट कहते हैं. परसेंटेज बाई वेट इज इक्वल टू वेट ऑफ सॉल्यूट अपॉन वेट ऑफ सॉल्यूशन मल्टीप्लाई बाई 100. All the value of weight of solute and weight of solution are measured in the terms of grams. For example, 5 gram sugar present in 50 gram of sugar solution. Calculate weight percentage. The general definition, general formula of percentage of weight is equal to weight of solute upon weight of solution. In this question, 5 gram is the amount of solute, so we put the value of weight of solute is 5 gram and weight of solution will be 50 gram. Putting these value, we find 5 upon 50 into 100, that is 51 जा 50, 52 जा 100, 5 2 जा 10, that is we find 10% of weight. It's mean from above formula we can calculate the percentage by weight which is related in this types. Okay, next topic, percentage by volume. The amount of solute dissolved in 100 ml of solution are called as percentage by weight. It's mean 100 ml सॉल्यूशन में जितने अमाउंट ऑफ सॉल्यूट की डिजॉल्व होते हैं उसी को परसेंटेज बाई वॉल्यूम कहते हैं. परसेंटेज बाई वॉल्यूम इज इक्वल टू volume of solute upon volume of solution multiply by 100. All the value of solute and solution are measured in the terms of volumes. For example 20 ml ethyl alcohol and 30 ml water are mixed to form solution. Calculate the volume percentage. In this question, 20 ml ethyl alcohol is the volume of solute and 30 ml water are the volume of solvent. So volume of solute will be 20 ml and volume of solvent is 30 ml. Since solution is equal to solute and solvent, as you know in previous lecture, volume of solution is equal to 20 plus 30 ml, that is volume of solution will be 50 ml. According to the general formula of volume, percentage is equal to volume of solute upon volume of solution multiplied by 100. Putting these value, we find 20 upon 50 into 100. 50 1 जा 50, 52 जा 100, 2 into 20, that is 40%. That is the volume by volume percentage will be 40%. Okay, नेक्स्ट आपका टॉपिक है मोलैरिटी. मोलैरिटी की क्या जनरल डेफिनेशंस होती है? द नंबर ऑफ मोल्स प्रेजेंट इन 1 लीटर सोल्यूशन आर कॉल्ड एज मोलैरिटी एंड डिनोटेड बाय कैपिटल M. इट्स मीन यहाँ पर है कि 1 लीटर सोल्यूशन में जितने नंबर ऑफ मोल डिजॉल्व होते हैं उसी को मोलैरिटी कहते हैं. Molarity is equal to number of mole of substances upon volume of solution. But number of mole is equal to amount of substances upon relative molecular weight. Since amount of substances is represented by small w and relative molecular mass is relative molecular weight is denoted by smaller w. Substituting these value in the formula of molarity, we find capital M is equal to small w upon m into small v. The value of small w in the terms of gram, and the m is relative molecular mass, which is also in the terms of gram, while the value of v is volume and it is measured in the terms of liters. For example, 6 gram urea dissolved in 2 liter solution. Calculate the molarity of solution. In this question, 6 gram urea are dissolved in 2 liter solution. इसका मीन्स ये है कि 6 ग्राम यूरिया 2 लीटर सॉल्यूशन में डिज़ोल्व किया गया है, तो सॉल्यूशन की मोलरिटी आप कैलकुलेट करिए। 6 ग्राम यूरिया 2 लीटर सॉल्यूशन में डिज़ोल्व किया गया है। इट्स मीन 6 ग्राम जो होगा वह सॉल्यूट का अमाउंट, सॉल्यूट की अमाउंट इट्स मीन स्मॉल w 6 ग्राम हो जाएगा। स्मॉल m क्या होगा, यूरिया का जो जनरल फार्मूला होता है NH2CO NH2। द रिलेटिव मालिकुलर मास ऑफ नाइट्रोजन इज 14, हाइड्रोजन इज 1, कार्बन इज 12, ऑक्सीजन इज 16। पुटिंग दीज वैल्यू वी फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ स्मॉल m which is relative molecular mass of urea will be 60 and V is equal to 2 liter. Putting these value in the formula of molarity, we find capital M is equal to 6/60 into 2. अब इसको क्या करते हैं, कैंसिल आउट करते हैं। 6 1 जा 6, 6 10 जा 60, दैट इज 1/20, दैट इज M is equal to 0.05 we find after solving in the terms of mole per liter. It's mean the unit of molarity is mole per liter. Next topic आपका है molality. The number of moles present in 1 kg solvent are called as molarity of solutions. It's mean 1 kg सॉल्वेंट में जितने नंबर ऑफ मोल्स प्रेजेंट होते हैं उसी को मोलैलिटी कहते हैं। मोलैलिटी ऑफ सॉल्यूशन इज इक्वल टू नंबर ऑफ मोल्स ऑफ सब्सटेंसेज अपॉन अमाउंट ऑफ सॉल्वेंट इन द टर्म्स ऑफ kg. सिंस द अमाउंट ऑफ सॉल्वेंट is denoted by capital W, but number of mole is equal to amount of substances upon relative molecular weight. Since amount of substances is denoted by small w and relative molecular weight is denoted by small m, putting these value we find molality of solution is equal to small w upon small m into capital W. Since the value of small w in the terms of gram and capital W is in the terms of kg. For example, a 3 gram substances mixed in 250 gram of water. Calculate the molality of solution given that m is equal to 30. It's mean 3 ग्राम कोई सब्सटेंस है 250 ग्राम वाटर में जो है मिक्स किया गया है, इसकी मोलरिटी जो है कैलकुलेट करिए। इन दिस क्वेश्चन द वैल्यू ऑफ स्मॉल w इज 3 ग्राम एंड m is given that 30 and the value of m is 30, small w is 250 gram 250 gram. So we convert in kg by dividing 100. Putting these value, we find the molarity 3/30 into 0.25, that is 1/10 into 0.25 is equal to 1/2.5. After solving, molality will be 0.4 mole per kg. Thank you.